In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Shein gift card. If you want a fast, thoughtful present that arrives instantly by email, a Shein gift card is a great option. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way so everything goes smoothly. First, log into your Shein account. Being signed in ensures the purchase is linked to your profile and makes checkout faster. Once you're in, go to your profile. You'll usually find it on the main menu or as an icon at the top or bottom of the app or website. Inside your profile, look for the gift card section. This is the dedicated area where you can set up and send digital gift cards. When you're there, start by choosing a gift card design. Pick something that matches the occasion or the recipient's style. The design is just for presentation in the email, no impact on the value, so have fun with it. Next, select the gift card amount. You'll see preset values and sometimes a custom option depending on your region. Take a second to confirm the currency and region are correct for the recipient since gift cards are typically tied to the store where they're purchased. Now enter the recipient's email. This is where the gift card will be delivered, so double check for typos before moving on. If the address is off by even a character, the gift could go to the wrong inbox. Then enter your name. This appears in the delivery email so the recipient knows who the gift is from, adding that personal touch. You can also add an optional message. Keep it short and friendly. Think a quick greeting or a note about why you chose this gift. Before you proceed, agree to the terms. It's worth scanning them, as digital gift cards can have restrictions on refunds, usage region, or expiration depending on local policies. When you're ready, tap Checkout to move to the payment screen. Choose your preferred payment method. Options commonly include cards, digital wallets, or other supported methods in your area. Follow the prompts to complete payment. You might be asked to verify the transaction by your bank or payment provider. That's normal for security. Once payment is confirmed, you'll get a purchase confirmation and the recipient will receive the gift card by email, often within minutes. Delivery times can vary slightly, so don't worry if it takes a bit. That's it. Your Shein gift card is on its way, and your recipient can start shopping as soon as it lands in their inbox.